What's up, guys? We're here at the Printing Night Expo at the Inkcups booth with Michael Barron. How's it going, Michael?
Good. How are you doing? How are you, Zach?
Good, Mike. We've met up a few different shows over the past couple of years. We've done pad printing. We've done your cylinder printing onto drinkware. I know you got a really cool prototype that, guys, you're going to have to check that out. But what we're looking at right here is what? A flatbed UV printer?
Yes, this is an industrial digital UV flatbed printer with the capability of doing a 19.7-inch drop, so ideal for small products or large products.
19, so the bed lowers 19?
Almost 20 inches.
Wow.
For coolers, mostly for coolers or large parts that people want to print on them, they put them in.
So, for those who don't know, flatbed UV, it's really a lot of hard good decorating, but something like this is very flexible because it's a digital printer for that low run versus when you're looking for that high run, that's when the pad printing side of things over here often is the better solution, right?
Absolutely.
Also comes down to the artwork, all types of variables, but going on a round product, never the easiest thing to do.
Always challenging, always challenging. People always struggle with it because the curvature creates an issue with most digital printing because the heads are usually stationary. But this machine is called the X5 High Throw. We've developed this to have the ability to throw the ink very far around the curved surface. So we have a fixture here set up for these camper mugs, and we have the ability to do 32 of these camper mugs with about 2.5-inch typically diameter print all around in about 4 to 5 minutes.
32 of them.
32. We have a fixture. These size mugs, I can do 32.
Wow. And UV, very durable.
Very durable. Yep.
Right? Like, because DTF UV, very popular. Most of us still don't have the confidence that I would if I was directly printing. You feel that is definitely still the case, right?
Yes, absolutely. With powder-coated materials, it depends on the material, but powder-coated materials like these camper mugs, we typically like to jet the primer. So it's a primer, goes on first, then we print on there, and that gives it a really good durability, dishwasher safe. I mean, 25 dishwashers, 30 dishwashers, we can do these no problem. So that's what we do. Typically, if it's a low volume application, some customers just wipe on the primer, but if it's a higher volume application, to be more efficient, we actually jet it inside the machine. So we jet the primer, the white CMYK varnish, done.
One thing I didn't realize until we really started going to drinkware, how different powder-coated drinkware is compared to just a smooth stainless steel and so forth. Very different world.
There are a different world. On powder coats, not all powder coats are the same.
No,
too.
Not all colors are the same.
Correct.
Like engraving and so forth. So, all right, let's make one.
Okay. Greg, you want to run one? Where you go? Oh, Greg, do you run one now? Oh, that's ready to go?
And
sorry, thanks.
Oh my gosh, this is a heavy fixture.
Yeah.
But up top here, we're doing the mug fixture, but right here, we could be slipping in a bunch of...
A lot of balls. We can do, this is just an example of a fixture. We can do basketballs, footballs, baseballs, volleyball, any balls like that, like this nature. We can do a large print. I'll show you a sample in a moment. And so we could be doing this and then flip this over, take this off, put this on, 5 minutes, we're printing basketballs.
Golf balls,
basketballs, and things of that. Any products with a pretty steep curvature.
Out of curiosity, if you were going to get a Major League Baseball, do you think those are all being pad printed with that logo?
Yeah.
That is how they would do it, right?
Yeah, they would typically do that. Yeah.
With that run, It just brings you back to every piece of equipment has a time and place. You know, the pad printing, large run, this, low run, and then, you know, your other newer equipment going down the curvature of a drinkware. There's always, you gotta have the right tool for the job.
Correct, absolutely.
But this is more universal than a lot because of the jigs, the being able to lower the bed and all of that, right?
Yes, this offers customers extreme flexibility, so they can do all their flat products, anything that's flat, no problem. And then drinkware, curved drinkware balls, they can do that as well. So it gives them a lot of options to print onto.
So this is the X5-T. Why is it called the X5-T?
For the tall, for the 19.75 depth. The previous models had a 6-inch height. This has a 20-inch height.
You tripled it. Now, UV. So UV ink, and then I saw that blue light. So we're cured, right? Like,
done.
Not gonna smudge. Still kind of warm.
Yes, that's from the light.
But the detail, what our DPI are we getting with this type of print?
We can get up to like 600 by 1200 DPI. We can get up to that kind of quality. So it's all adjustable. You can change the DPI as you prefer.
Was it a white and then a highlight, or was it just one underbase?
That's a white CMYK, and then it's unvarnish.
Nice, very cool. You said we can do around 32 of these size prints on this type of drinkware, and what, you said 5 minutes?
Yep.
Very cool. How much is a UV printer like this X5-T from Inkcups?
So the X5-T with the high throw, if you want to have the ability to do all the curved surface, the high throw capability, it's about 120K. If you don't need high throw, if you don't have a lot of curved products, just mostly flat products, about 100K.
But you can you upgrade later on?
You can.
Okay, very cool. Very cool. And you guys at Inkcups, again, you specialize in this hard good printing, whether it be low run or high run.
Exactly.
Correct?
Yeah. High run, high speed, high run. This machine is it's an industrial machine. It's not a commercial machine. So it's designed to run. It can run 24/7. It can run all day. It's very low consumption of ink. So it's extremely efficient for people who want to run a lot.
Awesome. Well, Michael, where can our viewers go to learn more about Inkcups' lineup of equipment, and especially the X5-T?
You can go to Inkcups.com and look on the equipment section for flatbed printers. It'll be the first one on the list.
Very cool. Well, Michael, it's always been a pleasure. Guys, check out all the other videos we made with their pad printers, their cylinder drinkware printers, our podcast episode. Inkcups is a great company, guys, to work with. So check out their lineup of equipment. Thanks, Mike.
Thank you, Zach. Appreciate it.